Today I want to teach you how you can earn up to $500 every single day. Today I want to be teaching you guys how you can earn up to $500 every single day. Now, like what you're seeing on my dashboard, you can see here this is 500 USDT, and this money I can withdraw it to my crypto wallet. I'm going to be walking you through the process how you can earn this money and how you can withdraw it to your crypto wallet, guys. This is real and legit, guys. All what you have to do right now is just to stay back tight and enjoy this video, because I'll be walking you through the process on how you can be able to earn up to 500 US dollars every single day. Okay guys, if you like videos like this, if you enjoy videos like this, please make sure you like this video, share this video, drop your comments, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more updates on how to earn money online. Now let's dive into the video so that I can walk you through the process from the scratch on how you can start earning money on this particular platform. Guys, the first thing for you to do is to visit a website called ltwallet.online. Like what you're seeing here, this is the website. The website is already popping up right now. You can see the website from here, ltwallet.online. ltwallet.online. Now when you visit this website, now you have the opportunity for you to be able to download the app for Android and for iOS. You can see here, you can download the app here for Android, you can download the app here from Google Play Store, or you can download it from Apple Store, from App Store. Now I want to download the app here from Android App Store based on the space. Now let me click on this Android store. Now from here you can be able to download the app. Now when you download the app, the next thing for you to do is for you to install the app. Now once the app finish entering, like once you install the app, the next thing for you to do is for you to register. Now I'm going to be walking you through the process of the registration, guys. Now you can see we just finished installing the app. Now the next thing for us to do is for us to register, and the app is loading. Let's give it the time so that we can install the app, so that I can also show you how you can register. Now we just finished installing the app. Now let's open the app. Now this app is called LT Wallet, or you can still call it Lighthouse Wallet, guys. Lighthouse Wallet, guys. Now this app, this is a new crypto company. This is a new crypto company that can help you earn money in so many ways. Now the first thing for you to do as a beginner is to click on this select language. Now when you click on select language, here you can choose your language, but me, I speak English, so I click on English. Now I like this company, I like this platform, because they don't need your information, guys. So it means your information is highly protected, because they don't need your information. Now the next thing for you to do is for you to click on create identity, because you don't have an account, so you don't need to click on restore identity. Click on create identity. Now when you click on create identity, from there you can open this place. Now next thing is for you to generate private keys for yourself. Now these private keys are just like your gateway for you to log into this platform, because this is a crypto wallet and this is end-to-end encryption. That is it, means your wallet is highly protected. The only thing you need to do is to protect your private keys. Now click on generate private keys. Now you can see they just generated private keys for us. Now the next thing you need to do is to click on copy private keys. Now let's copy these our private keys, because we are going to need them. Now the next thing for you to do is to click on next. Now when you click on next, here you have the opportunity to create your password, guys. Now let's see if we can create any password and get started. Now the next thing is for you to log in, log in into your account. Now remember those private keys, so we need to input those private keys here. Now the next thing you need to do is for you to go ahead and enter your password. We just entered our password right now. Now the next thing for us to click, we click on verify. Now when we click on verify, boom, we can see we just create our account. Now once you create your own account, this is how your wallet is going to look like. Everything will be 00000. Now the next thing for you to do, I recommend, is for you to use my referral code, guys, because anytime you use my referral code, you're going to earn 500, and you're going to earn 500 USDT, guys. And if you use my referral code, that is for free. Just use my referral code, you get 500 USDT. Now if you want to do that, click on this my profile, then click on invitation. Now you can see here, this is where you need to put my invitation code. If you want my invitation code, you can see it on my screen. You can see that one that is popping up on the screen, or you can check this video description to get the invitation code for you to bind the invitation code. Now this is not my invitation code, don't use this one. You can see the one that is popping up on the screen now. Now what I'm going to do is to copy that one right now and paste it here. Now this is my main invitation code here. You can use this one. Now I'm showing you how you can earn extra 500 USDT for yourself. Now once you put this invitation code here, click on bind. Okay, so as you can see, I just earned 500 USDT from that invitation code. So that is the first way you can earn this 500 USDT. Just bind this my invitation code you're seeing here, and you can earn 500 USDT, guys. Bind this invitation code and that's what you are going to earn, guys. That is it. So you can see here 500 USDT. Now that is the first thing for you to do. Now what is this platform really all about? As I said earlier, this platform, yeah, this is a new crypto coin. This is a new crypto coin. And this crypto coin, you can withdraw this crypto coin to your account. It's called LT coin. It's called LT coin, Lighthouse coin, not Litecoin. Now this is Lighthouse coin. Now 552 USDT equals to 10,000 Lighthouse coin. That is it. So it equals to 10,000 Lighthouse coin, and I'm going to show you how you can withdraw this money. That is it, guys. So you just need to stick around and enjoy the video. If you're getting any value from this video so far, guys, I will encourage you to like the video, share the video, drop your comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Now the next thing you need to do from here right now, after you bind the invitation code, remember, as you bind the invitation code, you earn money, and any person you refer also to bind your own invitation code, you also earn 500 USDT from it. Now the next thing for you to do right now after binding the invitation code is for you to start trading. Now they have an AI trading that can help you here to earn extra money for yourself, and this is very, very important. Now if you want to start trading on this platform, here you have three different ways for you to fund your wallet. You have three different wallets. You have a USDT wallet, you have a USDT wallet, you have a TRO, you have a BSC wallet, and you also have an Ethereum wallet. So you can choose any of these three wallets here, but I need to choose TRC because I like operating with USDT. Now that is it. Now if you want to recharge on this platform, if you want to recharge, just click on receive. Just click on receive. Now receive here, this is your wallet's address. You can copy it, go to any crypto wallet and do your transfer, and you receive your money. Now if you want to withdraw your money from this particular wallet here, what you need to do, click on transfer. Now when you click on transfer from there, but you cannot withdraw this money for now. I'm going to show you how you can withdraw this money, guys. Now this method only works if you want to withdraw this your USDT, and as you can see, this your USDT here is 0. That is it. So I'm going to show you how you can withdraw this Litecoin. This method does not work for the Litecoin. This method I just showed you right now only work for this USDT. So if you want to withdraw your USDT, this one here, and this one is 000, what you need to do is to click on the USDT. You can either click on withdraw or you click on recharge. If you recharge here, from there you can use the money to trade. Now how can you trade? Just click on trade here. Now here you stand a chance to earn money from their AI trading. You can earn up to 0.3% USDT every single day to 9% USDT every single month. Now the minimum amount here is 20 USDT. So you can just click on this. When you click on this, they're going to open a portal for you where you can trade. Now after you recharge, just come here, put in the amount you want to trade from 20 USDT and above, and just click on start. When you click on start, this thing will trade, and every 24 hours you get your profit. Now you can only get your profit after you recharge either USDT or TRX. That is it. Now TRX is the same thing. You recharge, minimum TRX here is 500 TRX. Then here you can get up to 0.25% of your TRX every single 24 hours, every single day. That is it. So what you need to do is just to put 500 TRX here and start trading, guys. That is how you get your profit. So it's very, very important to trade, guys. When you trade, you earn more money. Now the reason for this trading is so that these people can help promote their crypto coin, guys. They want to use this AI trading to promote their crypto coin, because as I said earlier, this is a new crypto coin from America. This is a new crypto coin, guys. Now after that, the next thing for you to do is for you to visit their customer service. You can see all this customer service here is working. You can either visit them on Twitter, on YouTube, or on Telegram, guys. Now remember what I said. If you want to know a legit paying platform, first of all is for you to know their customer service. They must have an active customer service. Now click on this Telegram icon. They're going to take you to Telegram. From there you can be able to chat on their group. You can be able to ask questions. You can do anything you want to do on their group. You can see here that they have more than 24,000 people on this group on Telegram. So it shows you that this platform is legit, guys. You can join their group. You can know more from this group. You can watch videos, you can watch tutorials, you can mingle with the people, you can drop your comments and do a lot of things here in this their Telegram channel, guys. It's very important. Now that's the next thing for you to do. Now after you finish joining their Telegram channel, remember I said if you want more money, you need to refer your friends. Now if you want to refer your friends, click on this invite. When you click on invite, copy your own referral code, and from there you can share it. Each person that buy your referral code, you earn 10,000 Litecoin. That is what you earn. 10,000 Litecoin. That is what you earn, guys. The next thing for you to do now, if you don't still understand, just click on this tutorial. You can see tutorial from here. You can click on this tutorial from there. You're going to read more and understand more about this platform. Now the next thing for you to do right now is for you to click on these activities here. You're also going to understand more about this platform. I recommend you to read that. Now the next thing for you to do right now is for you to withdraw this your money. I told you before, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can be able to withdraw this your cash, guys. I said I'm going to show you how you can withdraw this cash. Now how can you withdraw this cash? The only way you can be able to withdraw the money you get, this your Lighthouse coin, is for you to trade on this AI trading. Now the only way you can do that is for you to trade, and the only way you can do that is when you have up to 100 USDT. It's when you have recharge up to 100 USDT on this AI trading, or you have up to 2000 TRX on this AI trading. That's the only way you can be able to withdraw this your Litecoin, this your Lighthouse coin. So, and this your Lighthouse coin, you withdraw it 4 times in a month, every single week, guys. Now the minimum, as I said earlier, the minimum USDT you need to have in your AI capital is 100, or you need to have 2000 TRX. So if you trade and you have a capital of 100 USDT, or you have a capital of 2000 TRX, that is the only time you can be able to withdraw this your Litecoin, this your Lighthouse coin. So what you need to do is to click on this market over here. Now here you can have the chance to exchange your Litecoin to TRX, or you can exchange your Litecoin to USDT. So it's very, very important. So for the only way you can exchange your Litecoin is when you have up to 100 USDT here. When you have up to 100 USDT here as your capital in your AI trading. So what I'm going to encourage you guys to do is for you to register on this platform, recharge USDT. Just click on recharge here. Now when you recharge USDT, join their AI trading, start trading. That is it. So once you have 100 USDT capital on this your AI trading, or you have 2000 TRX, from there you can click on this market. Then from there you can exchange this your Lighthouse coin to USDT or to TRX and withdraw them to your crypto wallet, guys. That's the only way you can withdraw this your Lighthouse coin, guys. It's very simple. Now if you want to know more, just join their Telegram channel. As I said earlier, just join their Telegram channel. That's the only way you can also know more, guys. That is it. Now that's all about this platform, guys. If you want to know more, join their channel, or you can also join my Telegram channel. I'm also going to explain more for you guys. That's all about this platform, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I do appreciate you. If you learned something, like this video, share this video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye.